Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer engine stalling issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Engine stalling in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as the engine shutting off unexpectedly while idling, slowing down, or coming to a stop. Verified owner complaints and service information indicate that stalling concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on engine type, fuel system design, electronic controls, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and commonly reported cause involves fuel delivery-related issues. Problems such as reduced fuel pressure from a failing fuel pump or restricted fuel flow have been documented in owner reports and repair data and can lead to sudden loss of engine power or stalling, especially under load or at low speeds. Another confirmed cause relates to airflow management. Faults involving the throttle body or idle air control function have been reported in certain model years. When airflow is not properly regulated at idle, the engine may struggle to maintain stable operation and can stall unexpectedly. Ignition and sensor-related concerns have also been documented. Malfunctioning crankshaft position sensors or camshaft position sensors may send incorrect signals to the engine control system, which can interrupt fuel or spark delivery and cause the engine to stall. These issues may present intermittently before becoming more frequent. Electrical system-related issues are another verified factor. Poor electrical connections, failing engine control modules, or voltage irregularities have been reported in some cases and can disrupt engine operation, leading to stalling without warning. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include vacuum leaks, exhaust restriction, or software-related control behavior in newer models. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and require diagnostic confirmation. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for diagnostic trouble codes, inspecting fuel and airflow components, checking sensors and electrical connections, and performing software updates or component replacement once a fault is confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that Ford Explorer engine stalling is often resolved through targeted repairs once the underlying cause is identified, though experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer engine stalling can result from fuel delivery issues, airflow control problems, sensor faults, or electrical concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.